What up? Kate Ruggs and Gemma Girl from SoberDogs.com. Yeah! Just put up an article, 19 ways to cut negativity out of your life. Today I'm going to share with you 10 of those ways, which is especially important for recovering addicts, but anybody can use these. Get right to it. Number 1, change your negative thinking. It all starts with you. First thing I had to do is change my thinking, my thoughts. Any negativity in the outside starts with me. So I had to work on that. After that, my attitude on the rest of the world started to slowly change. Number 2, cut out negative friends and family. This one can be very hard. Sometimes family members can be very negative, friends can be very negative, people you've known for 20, 30 years. Gotta do it. You gotta do it. It's essential to recovery. It's essential to anybody to have a happy life. So just be honest and upfront with them and be more positive yourself. Because most of the time, they'll either not want to hang around you if they're very negative, or they'll slowly start to get more positive too. So be more positive yourself and you'll kind of answer the question without having to be confrontational. Number 3, engage in fun, positive activities. Best way to get rid of negativity, or one of the best, just do fun stuff. Do fun stuff. I've tried so many new things, paddleboarding, yoga, computer coding, a bunch of stuff. And I figured out I hate computer coding, and I'm terrible at it, and I love paddleboarding and yoga. So just try new things. Get out of your comfort zone. Number 4, find a job or a career you're passionate about. This one can be hard. Many of us in recovery have shady pasts, so it's not even easy to get a regular job, let alone one we're passionate about. But sometimes it's essential. You gotta do what you gotta do for your recovery, for your happiness. I turned down a promotion because it was hours I didn't want to work that started affecting my sleep cycle and my general attitude. But I'm way happier working the time I'm working and the hours I'm working. Number 5, avoid watching the news and politics as much as you can. This is my biggest fault. I get into news, I'll get into politics, I'll go back and forth, I watch every side, I try to get the story from both angles, this angle, that, and it gets me riled up, and it's just a general buzzkill. It literally is a drainer on your energy. Waking up and watching the news, especially like the big news stations that are very, partisan towards one side or the other, it's become a team sport. It's your side's right and the other side's wrong and the enemy. And that seeps into your attitude for the whole day. I'll be leaving to go to work and I'm all fired up and, the news just told me that these people are right and these people are wrong. No. I don't care if someone has completely different political views as me. I will work next to them. I'll be best friends with them. That doesn't change who they are. If they're a good person to me, it does not matter. That's what this country was built on. So I avoid the news and politics as much as possible now, because I'm not going to let somebody else tell me who's right and who's wrong and who's my friend and who's not. Number 6, get on an exercise regimen. Thousands of studies have shown exercise releases endorphins, build your self-esteem about your, your self-image in your body, get you moving, better for your heart, your blood pressure, your cholesterol, your diet. Exercise, you meet new people at the gym, get anger, frustration out. Exercise is just great in general. When I'm mad, angry, see, even Gemma likes exercise. She got all excited. When I'm mad or angry, yesterday I went to the gym. I was a little on edge. Just hit the punching bag. I got so much anger, frustration, good workout. It was great. Number 7, build a connection with your higher power. This one, people hear the word God in AA and they get all freaked out. Don't worry about that. It's not what the intention is. They say a higher power. Your higher power can be anything. Your higher power can be nature, Mother Nature, Buddha, Allah, God, Jesus. Sometimes I use God backwards, dog, as my higher power. Right, Gemma? Whatever you got to use for your higher power, a power bigger than you, is all you need to use. Some people use, God as G-O-D, good orderly direction. Whatever you got to use, just a higher power, the universe. I love space and astronomy. Sometimes I'll just use the power and the vastness of the universe as a higher power for me. So whatever you got to do, just build your connection with your higher power. I like to get out in nature. That always makes me feel more connected. Number 8, don't settle for anything in your relationships. This can be a big one with us in recovery. This can be a real big one. We're in early recovery. We've just beat the hell out of ourselves for the last however many years. We've been in terrible relationships. Some of us are just getting out of jail or prison or rehab. We have low self-esteem. So we get with somebody who doesn't treat us well, who's, negative, not good for our attitude. And we settle because we say, oh, that's all I can get. That's the best I'm going to get. Don't settle. If you got to take some time off from dating, do it. But don't settle. Find somebody you enjoy being with, you're passionate about, and who's positive for your mental and physical health. Number 9, stop worrying about other people's opinions. This one's huge for everybody in the world. We live so much trying to, live towards how this person thinks we are and that person and people pleasing and this and that. It's mentally draining. Be you. Do the next right thing. Be a positive person and you'll be fine. You don't have to people please. I did this for so long, trying to, make that person happy and that person happy and this group happy and that person happy, and it's just can be completely mentally draining. So don't even try to do that. It just will literally completely drain your time and energy. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix my little camera here. I don't have all the fancy equipment like everybody else, so it's just me and a phone. That's what Sober Dogs is, and Gemma. All right, and 10, meditate, practice mindfulness. Meditation, so easy, so simple, but not easy. All you need is you, a quiet room, and a couple minutes. Now, a great quote I heard that describes meditation, which is wonderful, is if you've never meditated, your first couple times is like checking your email after never checking it for 20 years. You open it up and there's just thousands of emails and you're overwhelmed. That's what meditating for the first couple times is like. There's thousands of thoughts in your head that you've never taken the time to think about and process, and it's just overwhelming and it can be very scary. Just don't get mad at the thoughts. Just let them come in and let them go out. And try to just focus on one thing. Focus on your breath, the word breathing. Focus on a mantra. I'm worth it. I deserve to be loved. Something positive, something nice like that. All right, everyone. Me and Gemma got to get out of here. That was 10 of the 19 ways to get rid of negativity in your life. To get the other 9, go to soberdogs.com. It's the first article up right now. All right, and you can get the other 9. Hopefully this helps some people out there. Please hit that like and that subscribe and support me and Gemma and Sober Dogs. All right, peace.